From Elk Ridge and Master Cutlery, this is ER-220MMP. This is a great classic traditional slip joint design, two-bladed. This comes in many different models, different color schemes and options. The other models are the I, the MBP, MCS, MI, MIS, MY, PK, RB, SI, and the Y model. Yes, so tons of different options. This is about 3 1/2 inches in total length, and this would make a great gift. I mean, look how nice that looks. A classic, timeless design. And you see it is a two-bladed model, different tip designs for different purposes. The more pointed tip, all right, for more detailed work with that tip. So yes, this type of design goes back into history to the frontier days. You know, these were originally before Swiss Army knives. These type of knives, multi-bladed, were carried on the belt and still are to this day. And you have two blades, so if one gets dull in the field, you have another blade. Excellent design. This would make an awesome gift. A classic design from Elk Ridge and Master Cutlery.